Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is all about cross staking kasi open na yung kanilang cross mainnet 2.0 dito. So guys, kung mahilig kayo sa mga staking ng mga tokens, is mahalaga na magkaroon kayo ng information about dito. So para malaman natin yan is let's head over to their website. So guys, nandito na tayo sa kanilang website. So para mapunta kayo dito is itatype nyo lang itong stake.ogfcorp.com. And then mapupunta na kayo sa kanilang landing page, and once na nandito na kayo, i-connect nyo lang dito sa taas yung inyong CrossX wallet or yung inyong Gmail. Before anything else, is punta muna tayo dito sa getting started. So guys, ganito nag-work yung kanilang staking step by step. So una is magde-deposit kayo ng cross tokens to start earning. And yung step 2 naman is, ito na yung nag-earn kayo ng rewards daily. And nakalagay yan dito, rewards accrue daily, shown separately. And then yung step 3 naman, kung gusto nyo na mag-unstake, so meron siyang 14-day unbonding period, and then claimable na yung inyong rewards. So guys, ito naman yung kanilang mga supported wallets dito, no? So meron diyang embed wallet, Google or Apple. So ito naman yung mostly na ginagamit ng karamihan, the MetaMask. It's either app or extension, so pwede yan. And meron din tayo ditong Binance wallet, app or extension. So about naman sa kung paano mag-stake, so naka-indicate din yan dito, no, sa prepare your cross tokens. And kung maglalagay kayo ng cross-chain mainnet configuration dito is naka-indicate din yan dito. And guys, so screenshot nyo na lang. Tapos i-copy nyo kung maglalagay kayo ng cross-chain mainnet configuration. And then yung step 3 nila is itong enter amount stake. Yan guys, so may nakalagay din dito na minimum stake is 10 cross with no maximum limit. So yung pinakamababang pwede mong i-stake dito is around 10 cross tokens, and about sa limit niya is wala naman. So kahit ilang tokens yung ilagay mo is pwede. And then yung pang-apat naman dito is yung start earning, no? So yun nga guys, mag-earn na siya daily, mag-a-accrue na siya ng rewards doon, and naka-display yon separately. And guys, about naman kung paano mag-unstake is nakalagay din yan dito. So ayan, no, mag-request kayo ng unstaking dito, and then meron siyang 14-day unbonding period. So guys, take note lang, no, once na nag-request kayo ng unstake, yung 14-day unbonding period na yun is wala siyang makukuwang rewards. No new rewards accrue during the unbonding period. Consider this before unstaking. And guys, meron din sila ditong paalala sa inyo. And then, after ng 14-day unbonding period ends is makukuha nyo na yung inyong rewards. So guys, andito rin yung kanilang key rules. So indicated yan dito. So yan, minimum stake is around 10 cross with no maximum limit. So guys, punta naman tayo sa overview. Yan, so makikita nyo dito guys, yung mga total value stake is around 243.2 million cross. So napakalaking cross staking nun sa mga participants. And ito naman yung mga total stakers nila is around 1.3k. Ito naman black reward is kung gusto niyo maging cross validator dito, kung isa kayong whale, so para maka-earn kayo ng kanilang black rewards is pwede kayong mag-apply dito, no? So click nyo lang itong taas to apply for cross validator. And guys, about naman sa delegation APR nila, so nagre-range to around 123.35%. So guys, kung mag-i-stake na kayo and gusto nyo malaman kung ilan yung ma-earn your yearly or monthly is pwede nyo munang i-estimate yung rewards nyo dito. Example guys, mag-i-stake kayo ng 10,000 cross tokens. So nakalagay na yan dito, no, yung inyong total earned cross estimated yearly. So yan yung estimated earnings nyo pag nag-stake kayo ng 10,000 cross. And then ito naman yung monthly yield nyo. So guys, magandang feature itong estimate your rewards kasi malalaman mo na agad kung ilan yung possible income mo once na nag-stake kayo ng cross tokens dito sa cross staking. So ito yung start earning in 3 steps nila: stake cross, earn rewards, and unstake anytime. So guys, about naman sa validator network is meron sila dito 21 council active block producers. Yan, indicated din dyan. And click natin tong validators, no? Yan guys, so ito yung kanilang total validators is around 22 and yung active is 21. So guys, about sa validators is yung minimum cross token stake is around 1 million cross tokens. So yan guys, nakalagay din dito yung informations about that, kung ilan yung mga total stake nila. Yan guys, indicated din yan dito. So yun guys, ang gagawin natin is mag-i-stake tayo ng cross token dito. So i-click lang natin tong stake now. So yun guys, meron tayong 440 cross dito. So ilalagay natin yung 400 cross tokens dyan. And then, i-click nyo lang tong stake. Okay, so once na-click nyo yung stake, i-click nyo lang yung approve. So, may code dyan. Lagay nyo lang yung code na nilagay nyo sa wallet nyo. And then, magpa-processing na siya. Aantayin lang natin tong matapos. Yan. Stake successfully, guys. So, nakapag-stake na tayo ng 400 cross tokens dito. So, click lang natin tong done. So, guys, once na nag-stake pala kayo dito, is meron kayo ditong portfolio. So, click lang natin tong portfolio. So, nakalagay dito yung informations about sa pag-i-stake nyo, no? So, ito yung stake principal natin. Ayan yung accrued rewards natin. So, wala pa yan since kaka-stake pa lang natin. So, maganda rin talaga tong feature na portfolio na to kasi talagang matatrace mo and matatrack mo yung inyong logs dito about sa staking. So guys, ngayon nagkaroon na kayo ng knowledge about cross-staking, kung paano nag-work yung kanilang earnings and unstaking period dito is don't forget to check this out. So guys, that's it for our video. So yan, kung mahilig kayo sa mga staking ng mga tokens is huwag nyo kakalimutan na i-check tong cross-staking natin dito. So guys, as I always say, keep safe and I'll see you on the next one.